2020. And really, there's no one here except me, Julia, and the fish and the cat. Yeah, those are the lamb chops that we had to struggle to the supermarket during the pandemic to get. All right, there's the Easter Sunday lamb chops that Julia cooked. And what do you have to say about this Easter Sunday?
It's awful.
Yeah, well, we're thankful and blessed that we have at least this meat. All right, there's the Easter dinner. And I'm here filming with a GoPro Hero 8. All right, so you prepared all the food, you're all dressed up, but there's nobody here. Okay, so I'm here for Easter Sunday, and I'm going to have my Easter dessert dinner that Heather made. All right, so I'm going to have my Easter dessert that Heather made. Delicious. The frosting is excellent. Yep. All right, that's our dessert. I have my coffee here. I have my coffee. And we had a lovely dinner. Just the two of us. That's all we can have this year. First time and ever. So I have my coffee and my dessert cake.